What is going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Crowfoot, where I'm traveling the country and taking you guys with me on this trip. So I'm just leaving Wyoming now. Well, not leaving Wyoming yet. I'm driving down to Colorado. I just left my aunt's motel in Guernsey, Wyoming. Little side note, if you guys are ever coming through Wyoming, definitely check her place out. If you're ever coming through Guernsey, Wyoming, which is kind of like the eastern central side of Wyoming. Her hotel or motel is called the Sagebrush Motel. She has 12 rooms. It's a beautiful little motel. She keeps everything super clean, and she's just so hospitable. So I had a great time there. She showed me around. I did try to film some things there, but there just wasn't much to do. I really just took 2 days to relax, edit up some videos, work a little bit, and that's it. So with that being said, now we are leaving Wyoming and going down to Colorado. Where we're headed right now is the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado. Before that, though, that's about 6 hours away from here. So before that, I'm going to stop kind of halfway, 4 hours from here, and 2 hours from the Great Sand Dunes is somewhere called Manitou Incline, which is pretty much just like a series of 2,300 steps that go a mile straight up the mountain. Olympians even use it to train, from what I've heard, and it's in Colorado, right outside of Denver. I think it's in Colorado Springs. So we're probably going to stop there. It's 8:30 in the morning right now, so if I drive straight, I should get there around 12:30, 1 o'clock. They say Olympians can do it in 20 minutes. The average person, it could take up to an hour and a half, 2 hours. So, we're going to try to get under an hour, but Alright guys, so a little update for you. Random, but I didn't realize on my way to the Great Sand Dunes, right before Denver is the Rocky Mountain National Park. And I passed it, I looked it up, and I was like, wow, that's really beautiful. Maybe sometime, like, if I do this again. And then I was like, dude, this is the whole reason I'm taking this trip, is to literally do things like this and be spontaneous and just, see what I want to see. So, turned around. And, the Manitou Incline steps can wait for another day. I can start my Olympic training another week. No, but all seriousness, I'll probably do that later this week. We're spending the night in Rocky Mountain National Park. Dude, one thing I'm noticing out west, and especially here in Colorado, is that the gas can fluctuate so much just from gas station to gas station. The last exit, when we just hit that Tractor Supply, gas was, I think, $3.70 a gallon for unleaded. This exit, $2.97. Meantime, we'll get some of these boys. Chicken teriyaki and some beef stew. On luxury today. Alright guys, so no bear spray in Walmart, but did get food. What else is new? So our plan is to eat this up. I got a little salad. Been eating balsamic vinegar anyway, so I got some balsamic vinegar. And yeah, gonna eat this up and then head into the park, I guess. All right, guys, so we got the salad here, a little Cobb salad, so chicken bacon, or BLT salad, so chicken, bacon, cheddar cheese. It's a Walmart salad, so get what you pay for, I guess. A little $2 salad, but looks pretty good. I mean, hey, anything's good if you put balsamic vinegar on it, right? Guy. Alright guys, I've given up looking for bear spray. We're just gonna wing it tonight. And look at this view. Oh my god. It's just ridiculous. I love Colorado already, man. This is gonna be so amazing. I'm so happy I get to see this. Oh, I wish you guys could be here. I stopped at this little pull-off here in the middle of the Rocky Mountains and just admiring the beauty. It's just incredible. These views are just absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed or are enjoying that time lapse. I have no words right now. I just can't wait to get out and start walking some of this. But right now we're looking for a campground to ditch the camper and put a little less stress on this truck driving these mountains. I know it can handle it going up. It's more going down that I get concerned about because I don't have a brake controller on this. A brake controller pretty much just assists and the trailer stopping. It sends like a pulse so that the trailer brakes when I brake, and I don't have that, so it's kind of just 1,500 pounds pushing on my truck whenever I'm braking, which just kills my brakes. And I know it'll probably be fine, but like I said, it really wears on the brakes a lot, and the last thing I need is have my brakes go out as I'm climbing down the Rocky Mountains. So, oh my God, look at this. This is insane. Wow. I don't have any service out here at all, and I just stopped at this little historical marker. There was 2 rangers sitting outside, and they said I passed all the campgrounds, so I don't know how obvious they are. They said most are closing down this time of year, but it's kind of tough without service to find them, so it should just be about miles or so. I had my GPS on, but I had the time lapse going, so I missed it. Now because I have no service, it won't reroute and won't calculate. So we're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. I'm looking for one called Olive Ridge Campground. That's one that I've heard a lot, and Camp Dick, everyone keeps saying. Just looking a little more campgroundish. I think we might be on the right track. All right, so Olive Ridge Campground is closed. All right, so I just pulled onto this road. It says forest access, 1.5 miles. Not look bad at all right now. Oh, Jesus, come on. I'm really suffering the snow tonight. Alright guys, we're going to go past one more exit here, or a little pull off I guess, and if you don't see any camping after that, I think it's time to just turn around. Alright, we made it out. I hope in one piece. I'm going to go down to a beautiful Walmart today, do some stealth camper camping, pick up a few of those Mountain Man meals, call it a night. Alright guys, so we're about to get to the Walmart that I found. Seems like a pretty nice area, pretty safe, clean area. So everything should be good. Gonna cook up these 2 Mountain Man meals that I got here. Got 1 beef stew and 1 chicken Alfredo. And have ourselves a little bit of dinner. So Didn't get to experience the Rocky Mountains like I wanted to, but it's all good, man. We're making our way out west, and still a beautiful drive through there. And, you know, can't win them all. All right, guys. So I'm doing a little bit of stealth camping in a trailer in a Walmart. I'll try to cook up a little bit of a meal though. So all I got to do is boil some water. I'm gonna make these mountain mans. All right, so it says 1.5 cups of water for each thing. Making some of these. This one's fettuccine alfredo. And we got the classic Mountain House beef stew, baby. It says 1.5 cups of boiling water, so. It says 1 3/4 cups, so I'm really just gonna guess this here. Ooh, that's not good. Oh God, come on, man. Got some raspberries in the meantime while that's cooking. All right, guys, it is time. Let's try this thing, man. I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks and smells really good. I don't think you could really see it without me spilling it. Doesn't look too bad. Let's try it. Things never disappoint. All right, fettuccine alfredo with chicken, not as good. Not horrible, but kind of drowned it in water.